Wondrous World of Wieners, and today we're going to be doing an arts and crafts project. I was walking around Joann Fabrics a couple weeks ago and I found these string art kits in the clearance section, and I thought it'd be a really good idea to do a project called Boners on a Budget. For this procedure, you're going to need a string art kit, which you can find in most craft stores or on Amazon, a pair of scissors. We're modifying this kit, so we're going to use some different colored string, which you can also find at any craft store or on Amazon. And if you have curious cats or any other animals that like to walk all over your craft station, I recommend a specimen cup to hold the pins. Let's begin. So you're going to open up your package. That was so perfect. Inside each package, you'll find some string that you're going to just set aside because we're not using it for this project, the pins, the foam board, and on the back are some instructions. I bought the rocket ship shaped string art kit because it's already in the general shape of the project that we're working on today. You just have to use your imagination. So let's begin. First step you're going to do is you're going to place your pins. I've already got this one started. If you're having trouble getting the right penis shape, there's a couple websites that you can go to for reference. Then you can just sketch out where you need to place your pins. So let's move on to step 2. For this, you're going to need scissors and your string. I chose these colors for the project that we're working on today, but you can choose whatever colors you want. Be creative. First, we're going to start with the shaft. So your next step will be to attach the string to one of the center bottom pins. It helps if you make your loop in advance before you put it around the pin. And then once you get it around the pin, tighten it on. You can leave the tail for now. Then from there, you're going to take the string and you're going to run it around other pins. And you want to go from one opposite end to the other. And every time you go around a pin, you want to wrap it once around. And you keep doing this until you feel that your shaft is full of string. As you're wrapping the strings, you don't want to go above this line because we have a special technique for the tip. After you've completed your outline, bring the string to one of the bottom pegs and then cut the string with your scissors long enough to make a knot. After you cut the string, you need to do the same thing you did in the beginning and wrap it around one of the bottom center pegs and tie a knot. Don't forget to cut the tails off of both of your strings. Now that we're getting close to finishing, we're going to work the head. So you're going to take your different colored string and you're going to tie it around one of these bottom pieces here. The same technique that you used before by making your loop and then tightening it around the base of the peg, and you leave yourself a tail. Now you want to wrap your string around the pegs in the same way that you did to form the shaft. Now for the climax, you want to form the outline of the head in the same way that you did the shaft by interweaving the pegs that create the outline. Now to tie it off, and snip, snip. Mazel tov, we're done. I hope you enjoyed this project. Stay tuned to Wondrous World of Wieners for more arts and crafts and fun facts. I'm Megan. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.